transforming hairbands with yarn. Learn to make it in just 3 minutes. Materials needed. Part 1. Main body and ribbons. Start by making a slip knot. Chain 69 stitches. Just start the stitches in multiples of 3. Place a stitch marker in the very last chain to mark the end. Round 1. Chain 3 stitches. Place another stitch marker in the third chain to mark the beginning of the round. Chain 2 stitches, then skip the next 2 chains. In the third chain, work 1 double crochet. This completes one pattern group using 3 chains. Demonstration repeat. Chain 2, skip 2 chains, work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Continue this pattern all the way around for a total of 23 groups. Round 2. Flip your work to the other side. Chain 3 stitches. Again, place a stitch marker in the third chain. Repeat the same pattern. Chain 2, skip 2 stitches, work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. This should align with the double crochet from the previous round. Continue this for 6 rounds total, then cut the yarn. White edging. Join the white yarn into any chain space along the edge. Edging pattern. Chain 4 stitches, then slip stitch into the next chain space. Leave a long tail for sewing later. Repeat this all the way around both edges. The ribbons follow the same method as the main body. The difference is written in the caption. Art 2. Base. Blue yarn. Chain 24 stitches. Skip the first 3 chains, then work 21 double crochets into the 4th chain and across. Cut the yarn, leaving a tail. Join the white yarn into the first stitch. Chain 3. Skip 1 stitch. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Continue this pattern all the way around. Leave a long tail for sewing. Part 3. Fold the main body in half, aligning the edges neatly. Using a tapestry needle and a long white yarn tail, sew the edges together, knot securely and weave in the ends. Position the ribbons over the sewn center of the bow. Place the hair tie underneath the center. Wrap the tie band around all layers, covering the overlapping sections. Gently tug the ribbons downward to create a natural drape. Adjust the folds for a polished look.